My x-intercepts for this graph will be none. I never cross or touch the x-axis. My y-intercept is going to be at 5. Increasing, decreasing, we read the graph from left to right. So as I am starting the left side, I'm starting with a decrease. I'm starting somewhere to the left, so that's negative infinity. I am going into my vertex. The x value there is 2. And then at 2, when I start increasing, my x value is 2. And I'm increasing forever as I go right. So it's going to be going towards positive infinity. Remember, we were talking about how long on the x-axis does something increase or decrease for. Absolute maximum, I will not have one here because I go up forever in both directions. My absolute minimum is going to be my vertex, or 2, 1. So we have our y value at x equals 2 here, so 1 at x equals 2. For our end behaviors, for my left arrow, because I'm going left, x approaches negative infinity. F of x, or y, is going to approach infinity because this arrow goes up. It goes left and up. For this area over here, x approaches positive infinity because I'm going right. F of x is going to also approach positive infinity because I go up. So I'm going right and up. Last two problems are just review to make sure that we don't forget how to plug numbers in and evaluate. So we want to find the value of f of x or y if we know our x value. So I'm just going to take my x value and plug it in. So I'm going to have 4 plus 2 squared minus 7. So that's going to give me 6, which is 36 minus 7, and that's 29. You could just plug this into a calculator. You can also look on a graph and find where x is 4, figure out the y value on the line. So there's lots of different ways to kind of go about this. For number 2, x is negative 5. So I'm going to take that and plug it in. Do a little bit of math. So I got negative 5 minus 3, which is negative 8. Negative 8 squared is positive 64, but because I have a negative on the outside, I'm going to keep that there. And then we're going to get negative 63.